Hello everyone, this is the original Josh with Dirt Killer Pressure Washers, and today I'm going to introduce to you the Comet ZWD4040G replacement pump. This is a gas-powered direct drive replacement pump, good for any of your engines with a 1-inch shaft. It's rated for 4,000 PSI max and a 4.0 gallons per minute max. To achieve this, it needs to be on a GX390 or equal size engine, and can be used on any other size engine from 9 to 15 horsepower as long as it has the 1-inch motor shaft. The pump comes with its plumbing installed. It includes a VRT3 external unloader valve with a built-in easy start valve. It comes with the inlet strainer assembly with sight glass so that you can see when debris is filling the strainer. And then the thermal relief valve, which will discharge water and allow cool water to enter the pump if the pump is left in bypass for too long. The external unloader valve also gives you the ability to bypass this pump back to your water tank or onto the ground to prevent overheating due to being in bypass for too long of a period of time. And now don't forget that if you hook it up to a tank, that you should remove the thermal relief valve and replace it with a 1/2-inch pipe plug. The pump also comes with a stainless steel 3/8 quick disconnect socket at the discharge, and the inlet and outlet plumbing are angled. The angle on the plumbing is to prevent pressure washer frame from interfering with your hoses attaching to the pump, and the inlet is angled down so that there's a more gentler sweep of the garden hose leading up to the pump. Your pressure washer pump comes with oil already in it, so it is shipped with a shipping plug. When you install the pump, you have to make sure to use the vented dipstick from the hardware kit to replace the shipping plug so that the pump can properly breathe. And then you also have a sight glass on the back of the pump so that you can visually inspect for proper amount of oil in the pump at any time. Your hardware kit also comes with bolts to mount this to your engine. It does not, however, come with a shaft key, so check your shaft key when you remove your original pump and make sure that it doesn't need to be replaced. We also have those as well. So if you have any questions or are looking for pricing for this, you can reach us at dirtkiller.com. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. This is the original Josh. Let's kill some dirt.